Hi guys, guys, it's the same day. I know. Okay, but I got something today off Amazon. But guess what? They're really cool ducks. There's 52 of them. But yeah. Let's open this thing up. I don't know how to open it. Okay, so we got axolotls, we got bulls, we got frogs, we got a duck, the classic, we got mushrooms, and we also got no, there's always something else though. Oh, and pups. But yeah, let's put them. Yeah, I'll put them in orders. Okay, just wait. Wait, guys, just wait. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm finished. That was a long time. Here, let me show you guys. Okay, guys. But no, guys, the package is so hard to open. Like here, guys. Okay, I got this elephant one. My friend gave it to me. We traded. And then we got this one. I stole. And then, well, I didn't technically steal it, but then I got this mushroom, but it's not like that one. But then I got this piggy, and then I got this that thing. But okay, I also have something else. What, these are like raisin things, right? Or reason things. I don't know, but and then I have this pearl with that. But let me show you guys my shoulder thing. Okay guys, this is my thing. So the balls, I have pink, black, blue, white, purple, red. Then the axolotls, blue, pink, yellow, black, same thing, orange, green. But yeah, and then you guys can look at these first. Then look at these, then look at those, and then look at these. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Bye!